after a wildfire occurs that impacts homes, the county will file a request with state OES, Office of Emergency Services, requesting additional support from the state. DTSC is then mission tasked by OES to come and remove hazardous materials from the burned homes, businesses, etc.
We're doing residential, commercial, public properties, and assess and remove household hazardous waste and large, easily identifiable pieces of asbestos. Any of the damaged vehicles, we look for any batteries. If we see any batteries under the hoods, that material is removed as well. Batteries are a real concern because they have high concentrations of lead in them. This is a residential property out in Ventura County. We're outside the city now. These properties, as you can see, are pretty large. Anywhere, they can be up to 400 acres.
And that's part of the complexity, is you can move from doing a series of hundreds of homes, whereas in a suburb setting, to a ranch out in the hills where you have a little bit of everything. And it's a very sudden shift. You have to be very cognizant of what is around you and what you're getting into and how best to deal with it.
This area here is actually fenced off.
We needed to leverage technology that would give us and afford us a quick turnaround to address the technology needs for the fire.
The app it's a mobile application built by Esri, and it's called ArcGIS for Collector. And it's a Geographic Information Systems application, which is GIS. Essentially what that means is you are recording data. In this case, we're looking at parcel information.
The app allows you to bring up a form that allows you to track all of the information you would generate, the time that you arrive, the people that are there, what hazardous materials you find, do you remove it, do you leave it behind, the asbestos assessment.
We did have to adjust some things on the fly, and it's called rapid application development. We sort of are pretty agile and quick to make changes if they come. Especially with emergency response, things are going to be different every time.
Before, what we did is filled out all that information by hand on paper. This is much quicker, much more efficient, much easier to share the information with a lot of people that need to see it. One version of the dashboard has been presented on our public-facing webpage so that the general public can see exactly what we're doing and how fast we're progressing.
We built a structure that could really hone down and capture all the data in a specific way that we wanted. So now you can ask those questions later. You can ask how many batteries were removed. You can ask how many propane tanks were removed.
This is the first big rollout where we have all of the teams using that app.